This system warns you that you risk entering a collision with the vehicle in front of you, a pedestrian, or depending on the model, a cyclist. It reduces your Peugeot speed to avoid the collision or reduce its severity. By default, each time you start the vehicle, the system is automatically activated. It can be neutralized via the ADAS application on the touchscreen. The system's deactivation is indicated by the illumination of this light, along with a visual message. This system comprises 3 functions: collision risk alert, intelligent emergency braking assistance, and active safety brake. Collision risk alert warns you if your Peugeot risks entering a collision with the vehicle in front of you, a pedestrian or a cyclist in its lane. You can define the sensitivity with which the function warns you of the collision risk. To do so, use the ADAS application on the touchscreen. Select one of the 3 predefined thresholds: far, medium, or near. The threshold selected is memorized when the ignition is cut. Several levels of alert can be triggered and displayed on the digital cluster. Level 1 is a visual alert indicating that the vehicle in front of you is very close. The message "Close obstacle" is displayed. Level 2 is a red visual alert and alarm indicating that a collision is imminent. The message "Brake" is displayed. Intelligent emergency braking assistance reinforces braking if you do not brake sharply enough to avoid a collision. This assistance is only activated if the driver presses the brake pedal. Finally, the active safety brake functions after the alerts if you do not react quickly enough or do not brake. The system aims to reduce impact speed and avoid collision if you do not act. This light flashes for around 10 seconds as soon as the function acts on your Peugeot's brakes. In the case of emergency braking that brings the car to a halt, you must keep your foot on the brake pedal to stop the vehicle from moving again. At all times, you can maintain control of your Peugeot by turning the steering wheel firmly or pressing the accelerator. These functionalities are based on perception systems, radars, and cameras, which have their limits. The ability to perceive depends on weather conditions such as heavy rain, fog, direct sunlight, frost, snow, or fogging. An orange pictogram will appear on the head-up display if the functions are unavailable. The driver remains solely responsible for his driving.